Loves, welcome back to my space video here. Thanks so much for dropping by. If you're an OG, I see you. So as you can tell from this video, we're doing another DIY video. So guys, I'm going to transfer these succulent plants that I have. I love these two plants. There are two species. They are different, like yeah, they call it species of variety. There are different types of these. I'm going to transfer them from this metallic can because I feel like they don't have enough space. It's kind of small, so I want to transfer them from that to these plastic containers. These ones are actually containers. The yellow one is from Omo. Mkebe ya Omo, and it has this design, as you can see. I had already started cutting this, and then I was like, wait, I have to record this. Yeah, so we are going to use this naka knife to cut. If you don't have this, you can use your kitchen knife, or you can use a blade or something. This is just a normal blade. So we're going to use this blade to cut, and the fact that it has these two lines that are guiding me, I'm just going to cut according to the lines, and I'm super happy. Guess what? Once you have cut these, you're going to have two containers. You just have to find the lid or something else that will cover the lid and turn it upside down, and you have another container. Yeah, so I'm going to transfer. And the good thing about this is it doesn't need color. Just look at that yellow. That yellow looks so good. Yeah, so we are done cutting like that. You can tell, you see that what I'm saying is this one is also another container. You can find somewhere to you either get the lid or place it on something else and plant. Yeah, it all depends on your creativity. So once you have cut, you can use what is it called, we're going to use these two, the black one. I'm going to use the black one and the yellow one. Once you have cut, if you touch the edges, your edges might be rough, so you're just going to use the same blade to soften the edges, or you can use sandpaper to soften the edges so that they don't cut you, because peer plastic in a cutter. And then you're going to make these two small holes. You don't need this many. I placed my fork on fire, nilieka komoto, so fire, and then it helped me have these two holes. You don't need that. You can only create, you can create just one part of these. Just make one hole at the middle and then transport. The reason I'm transporting this is because I told you I feel like this flower doesn't have enough space, and that's why you see some leaves are they're getting rotten, zinaharibika kutoka chini because inaguza maji and stuff, and then it won't grow as big as I want because the roots are limited. The space of spreading the roots is too small. So I'm going to transfer this to the other one. I love this mchanga, though it's not as a good healthy mchanga, but again, it's the soil that we use in the shamba. I just took it from the shamba, so I'm going to reuse the same soil, and because I'm using a bigger can, that plastic can or container is bigger than this one, I'm going to add extra. Yeah, so as you can tell, it's already, you can tell the surface is too big compared to the one that you had before. So your flower will be able to open out and grow grow outwards. And that's the essence of having a succulent. That's the need of if you want your succulent to be so cute, you just have to let it grow big outward. Yeah, yes, I hope you're feeling me. Yeah, so after transferring this soil, you can tell my soil was wet because I always water these. I water them and wait for it. Then I come in with these ones. These are eggshells that have really bonded. Yeah, you can blend these eggshells until you get you can crush them or blend them, yeah, until you get this. It just adds nutrients to the soil, just makes it your flower healthy because of the nutrients that the egg shell have. Yeah, so I'm adding eggshells to this, and I'll advise just place your soil somewhere and then add before placing it in the planting container. So once I'm done, I'm planting my flower. Look at that. Look at that. That succulent is so cute. It's so cute. I want to see it grow wide, opens the leaves wider, because hey, the way it ajaa itakaa vizuri, yeah? So you're going to add this soil to your satisfaction, where you want it to just fill your container, and then transplant your succulents. You'll buy if you go to buy them kwa mama in your natingenezanga, but those people who sell plants or seedlings, you're going to find it in a paper. Yeah, they always plant it in a paper, and then you come plant it to wherever you want. Yeah, so for me, I planted it there, but now I'm transferring it here. You can also pot these, just get the pots or whatever, or those planters that you buy. They're very cheap planters, plastic planters outside. But because this leaching starch, we don't throw anything. We recycle everything and anything here, so we don't throw. That's why we are recycling these. As you can see, this done. You see these ones? These some tile like tomawes, yeah, they're those white ones that people use when planting and everything for decoration. But me, I wasn't going for that. The purpose of why I added this to mawe, or these to stones, is because the leaves at the bottom, they tend to go closer to the soil and the water, and they end getting rotten. Yeah, so I don't want the leaves to come in contact with water and soil. That's why I added these ones just there where the leaves are, so that the bottom leaf doesn't touch the soil, and it won't get in contact with water, so it won't go bad. They won't go bad. You see, that's why I added that. But if you want to go for decoration, you can do that, and then fill your can or your planter with those two white stones that they use for decoration, and you see the flower looks so good in white. You feel me? Yeah. But if you don't know, if you don't have, you can use the normal mawes. You can just get stones from your compound and then place them at the bottom of the flower, so that the leaves, because we love those leaves and you don't want them to get rotten, so you just place them and then let the stones hold the leaves. Yeah, do you feel me? Am I making sense? Yeah, because if you let these ones, especially if you overwater the succulents, if you overwater them, they definitely, the leaves will get rotten, because they don't need a lot of water. So that's why I did that. And then we're going to do the black one, the black container, the same way we did the yellow container. We're going to do the black container, but this time we're going to do a lot of flowers. Like those ones I've shown, they were in one container, but there are so many at this point. Because this one is wider, you can use different types of succulents, or different shades, different colors. You know, there are different colors, so you can have the green with the purple, with the red, with the pink. You know what I mean. Yeah, so because this surface is so big, it's big and wide and open, you can use different succulents for this. You can plant different shades of them, or different colors with different colors, and then when they grow, they come together, they grow, and you will love it. Yeah, you'll love it. So we're doing the same on this black, and then we're transferring this. You see, this one, let me tell you one thing. I planted this as one. At the start it was one, and you can tell it's different from the other, because this one have sharp leaves, the other one have some curved nini. These ones grow tall, they'll grow upwards a lot, but the other one doesn't grow upwards a lot. This one can be even like a tree. So what I did with this one, I planted previously it was one, and then it grew and it gave out these stems, and then the stems gave out some leaves. That's why there's so many at one place, and I didn't know that they'd grow like that, but hey, I got it like this, and I love the way there are so many. So I want them to grow and fill that space, and then I'll place them somewhere on top, so if they want to drop their leaves downwards like sag from the planter, well and good. Yeah, because I love how they look. So yeah, we are done with this DIY at this point. We have transplanted these, and we have recycled plastic bottles. You can tell the previous one, that the yellow one at the corner, you can tell ni mtungi, ni kibuyu ya mafuta. Nilikata gafoyo kajeri kani. Yeah, and I did cut that one the shape I want. So we're just recycling plastic bottles, because you don't have to throw plastic bottles in your house. You don't have to like be stressed about, oh, where am I going, when am I going to get nini. And also pots are very expensive. Okay, they're not expensive as much, but they are expensive, especially if you have a lot of flowers that you want to plant, to repot those pots, you know. But you can also DIY your own pots. Yeah, so if you don't have pots and you have these containers, the black one is from muffin cakes. I bought muffin cakes, and I always buy muffin cakes, so I have a lot of these black ones in my house. The other one was from an detergent, Omo. Yeah, it was Omo detergent, Sunlight. Yeah, Sunlight detergent. So as you can see, they gave us these beautiful flower vase. Look at them, like planters. Yeah, so if you place this in your house, you won't even feel guilt at you. It doesn't, it looks good, they look good. And the fact that you don't have to paint them, you can repaint if you want, but the fact that you don't have to paint them, just look. Okay guys, this one I'm going to show you how, forget about my dirty nails. This one is self-made or DIY water can. Yeah, I just used the fork to toboa shimo hapo, and then I'm using that bottle to water my flowers. See, do you like this? Do you like this? Yeah, so that's it guys. This is the best thing because it doesn't give out a lot of water compared na kumwaga the other way with a very big can. So this one helps you to water your plants with a lot of ease, and not a lot of water is going to the plant, but also it depends with how many holes you've made. Yeah, so guys, at this point I'm in love with this DIY, this creation that you've made. I don't know about you, but I can guarantee you also love these. Yeah, do you? Don't you? Huh? I know you love this. Yeah, so guys, we're going to place this outside because I love how they look. But the yellow one, you can also place them in your house. Yeah, inside your home somewhere, on like a table somewhere, and they'll just look perfect and beautiful. Yeah, so guys, I love how this turned out. We recycled everything. I'm happy we did a recycling, and I have enjoyed replanting this. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have watched to this point and you haven't subscribed, Kimbia, go back and subscribe. Leave a comment and tell me if you love this. So till next time, bye bye guys. Thank you.